In this video, I'm going to show you which social media to use for your blog. Of course, you know you can't be on every social media. It's just like chasing like 5 rats together. If you chase 5 rats together, then you can't catch none. So that's why you can't be on every social media. So if you are a blogger, you write content for your website, so this information will help you, because I'm going to share with you the best social media you can use to drive more traffic to your website. Not Instagram, not Facebook, not Twitter. So make sure you watch till the end so that you will know which type of social media is good for you. Hi, my name is Usman. So if this is the first time that we are meeting, I make videos like this that help little businesses grow and also help people who write content get more traffic to their website. So if you are interested in these things, then consider subscribing and turning the post notification. Without wasting much time, we start right now. Now, the first social media to use to get more traffic to your website is LinkedIn. LinkedIn has 674 million members. So if you are into education, technology, or business, so LinkedIn is the best platform for you. So LinkedIn is full of professionals and also full of students. So LinkedIn is one of the best way you can get a ton of traffic, because the people who use LinkedIn, they are professionals. They are not like this, but they are like this, you know. Most of them, they are professional students. Now, how can you leverage LinkedIn to get more traffic to your website? Now, you go to your blog and copy one of your article that you already written, but don't copy everything. You copy like halfway and paste it on LinkedIn, and you put continue reading. When someone click on continue reading, they will go direct to your website. So that's the best way also to get more traffic. But the best way you can do it, because like the LinkedIn algorithm is one of the best algorithms that promote content. They are not like YouTube when it's hard to rank, or Google, or even Instagram. So their algorithm is much better. So what you can do, I advise you to paste the whole content on LinkedIn. So that way they can promote your content very fast, because this platform, they are designed to keep people into their platform, not to send them out. But using LinkedIn is one of the best way you can get a ton of traffic to your website. Now, the second platform to use if you want to get more traffic to your website is YouTube. Yes, although YouTube, not everyone like making videos showing their face to the camera, because watching the lens like this and speaking is very difficult. But you can do faceless videos. A lot of channels out there, they are doing a ton of videos and they are getting a lot of views, and they are not even showing their face. So you can use YouTube and promote your product and do also affiliate, and also you can put your website link on the description below, the product and services that you are selling. So YouTube is one of the best platforms you can use to generate more traffic to your website. Not only to your website alone, also you can build a community around YouTube also and get a huge amount of audience. Using YouTube alone, by delivering good value, you can even build a business around YouTube. So use YouTube to get more traffic also to your website and promote your business. Now, the third one is Quora. Quora is a question and answer website where questions are asked and answered. You can ask any question under the sun, you can get the answer. Now, how are you going to use Quora to get more traffic to your website? Now, go to Quora.com and type your niche. Let's say you are in the fitness or health niche. You type fitness. Then you can see a ton of questions, and you can filter this one also to the latest post, because you don't want to answer a question that has been asked like last year. You can answer a question that has been asked like recently. Then you answer the question and you contribute. So after finding the latest post and popular post, then you can answer some questions. Then you link your answer that you already answered in the question that they already asked. Then when you answer, then you link your website down below. but don't go to this community and spam them with your website, because if you do that, you are going to get banned. So make sure you contribute a good information before placing a link. So here is cool about Quora. Quora questions, they can also rank on Google. So the coolest thing about it also, if you give a good and quality answer, you can also get a ton of views. So that way you can get a lot of people visiting your website. So using Quora is one of the best way to get a lot of traffic to your website. Now the fourth one is Reddit. Reddit is a web content rating. Registered members can submit content to the site such as link, text, and post image and even video. It's just like Quora. You can also build a community and also generate a ton of traffic to your website. But make sure in these communities, make sure you contribute a good information before placing any links to your website. So try to contribute as much as you can before sharing your website, because if you just go to these communities and paste your links without contributing good information, they will ban you. So make sure you contribute a good information before placing a link. Now the last but not the least is Pinterest. I also use this a lot to generate traffic to my website. Pinterest is not just a social media, it's also a search engine. So if you know how to design a good pins, you can get a ton of traffic just by using Pinterest. On Pinterest, you can design a good pin and link it to your website, because when someone click on the pin, they can go direct to your website. But you have to invoke curiosity on your pins, because many of them, they can read the text on your pins, but they can only save it. They can't click and go to your website and read the content. So you have to invoke curiosity on the pin. For example, like you say, 7 ways to lose weight. You will likely do the second and the fourth. So by that way, the person might think, oh, what is 2 and 4? So they can click on the pin and go to your website and read the rest of your content. So that's the best way also to drive a lot of traffic to your website. By just using Pinterest, you can get a ton of visits to your website. So here you go. These are the best social medias you can use to drive a ton of traffic to your website. You might wonder why we never talk about like Instagram, Facebook. Of course, like Instagram, this platform, they are designed to keep people into their platform, not to send them out. You cannot place a link on a picture on Instagram. You can only place a link on your below your profile. That's the only site you can place a link. So this platform, they are good, but they are not there to send traffic to your website. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to smash the like button and turn the post notification so that you don't miss a content like this. Salute.